Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read a formal letter today. A letter written to a great personality or a successful person to invite him as a chief guest for your school's annual day. It's a formal letter, so if you use a block pattern, both the addresses, the sender's address and then the receiver's address, will be on the left margin. Don't forget to write the date in between and leave lines. Subject: invitation to grace our school's annual day as the chief guest. So you are highlighting the fact that it's a privilege to have him or her at your school. Respected sir, I, Miss Shraddha Mehta, am a student of class 10th at the above mentioned school. I also hold the position of the school captain. On behalf of the management, principal, staff and students of our school, we wish to warmly invite you to preside as a chief guest at the annual day of the school, which is scheduled on the 16th of December 2025. So you are inviting him or her warmly in a very friendly manner. Of course, facts like the date, the time should be mentioned, even the venue if required. It is an occasion for a double celebration for us, since this year also happens to be the golden jubilee year of the establishment of the school. Next paragraph. We are proud that you are also a student of our school. You were also. So he seems to be an alumni of the school, an ex-student. Your success story is narrated each year with great pride by our principal on Children's Day. No, this is not flattery, it's a fact. We are in awe of your powerful yet humble personality. Awe means great respect. Humble means without any extra ego. So he may be very successful, but he doesn't boast about it. Meeting you in person and hearing from you about your journey and philosophy of life would inspire many of our students to work with dedication, perseverance, and sincerity like you did. Perseverance means never giving up. We are hopeful that you would accept this invitation and be part of our joy and celebration. Then leave a line, yours sincerely, your name and your signature. In yours, there is no apostrophe.
Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.